friends, living with chronic pain, it is more than just an inconvenience. It can be debilitating. It can affect all areas of your life. Your mental health can struggle because of it, but there could be a solution in the form of SoftWave Therapy. This is something that can offer pain relief without surgery.
Ooh, I think that's something a lot of people are looking for. So today, as we thrive with Twin Cities Live, reporter Kristin Haubrich takes us to Abundant Life Chiropractic Health Center in Chanhassen.
Carol, tell us what first brought you into Abundant Life Chiropractic.
My daughter Jamie, I was coming to see Dr. Knight for a while. And then she also had this shoulder issue that SoftWave she was telling me about. And she goes, you got to go in, Mom. You got to get this done to your knee and see if it works, because my knee popped out and I was having a lot of problems with it. I couldn't do what I normally do, like go out dancing, mowing the lawn, riding a bike, taking care of my grandkids.
The owner right there.
Unfortunately, millions of Americans live with chronic pain, and that can severely impact just everyday life. But today, we're talking solutions, and one is in the form of this SoftWave Therapy. So explain what that is and how it works.
So SoftWave it's an acoustic sound wave therapy that stimulates the body's natural healing response. How it works is it creates a surge of circulation into the treatment site, and it also lowers inflammation while activating the repair mechanisms of the body. We typically see patients that are looking for an alternative solution to more medications and injections.
Sure. And are you getting real-time feedback from the patient coming in?
Yes, that's the beauty of the technology, is it's very diagnostic. When you're on a healthy tissue, you don't really feel anything. But when you get on the damaged, inflamed tissue, you can feel it right away, and that's the area we're going to treat. So within 45 minutes of treatment, it's going to increase blood flow 300% to the area we treat, which brings in a bunch of nutrient-rich, oxygen-rich blood.
And what had you tried before to kind of help remedy the situation?
Nothing. I just tried to walk it off, and it wasn't working. It was still painful.
Were you concerned that this could be the rest of your life living like this?
It kept popping.
Oh.
So then
Sounds terrible.
It was not good.
When you get on a bad tissue or inflamed, damaged tissue, it feels like you're actually being shocked or stabbed in that area. It's not a consistent pain, it's just a very brief pain. And then those are the areas that we hover over. So like right in here is where Carol feels it a lot, if we want to rotate out. When I'm up here, we're not feeling it very much, but if you were to zoom in on her face,
It's not as painful as it used to be when I first came in.
with each treatment, as inflammation improves and as the tissue and joint starts improving, it's less and less painful.
So is it kind of a wake-up call for these damaged cells to kind of play on your own healing?
That would be an excellent way of describing it, yeah.
Okay.
The treatment it's relatively fast. It takes about 10 minutes per treatment. But it's very effective, where it's not uncommon for patients to feel a reduction in pain within just the first couple treatments.
Okay, so hit on who would be a good candidate for this.
Joint pain. So we see a lot of acute and chronic neck and back pain cases, but we also see a lot of arthritic pain cases, whether it's from knees, shoulders, you name it. And I would say most of the large major joints of the body respond favorable to SoftWave treatment.
It's wonderful now. My knee works.
So yeah, take me to before and then the after. What is life like now? What can you do now?
Well, I was limited to things that I was doing, and now I can go out dancing.
You're back dancing?
I'm back dancing.
And not just any kind of dancing.
No.
You and your partner do swing dancing? So
yeah.
like Lindy Hop on the dance floor?
Well, let's not get carried away.
And Dr. Knight, this is personal for you. You had an unfortunate accident happen not too long ago, right?
Yes, fell off my daughter's skateboard.
Fun dad here, we're telling you that.
I fractured my lumbar 1, 2, and 3. So I had complete displaced fractures in my lower back. I was scheduled for an emergency spinal surgery.
What? And what gave you pause?
I didn't want to have a spinal surgery. So I treated my back every day over the course of 2 weeks with SoftWave. By day 9, I was back in the clinic working on patients.
That really has to feel like a new lease on life for you.
It is. I mean, and I enjoy like shoveling, which we all had to do.
Yes.
And so now, I could go out and shovel and my knee doesn't pop. I go out and watch my grandkids. They're younger, and so I have to run around and chase them around the house.
You've got 5 of them.
Yeah, I've got 5.
How is it for you to see someone like Carol? You know that how she was when she walked in, and now she's back on that dance floor.
It's awesome. Carol, what she didn't tell you, she's 70 years old. and she's swing dancing and pain-free. Like that's what the job's rewarding because of that. That is our goal, is to get everybody to live a life like Carol, where they're retired and active still, without pain.
It's a great goal.
Yeah, a lot of people are looking to be pain-free every day.
Sure.
Yeah, so appreciate that, Kristin. So Abundant Life Chiropractic is offering a new patient special. Book a discovery visit that includes a complete exam and an initial SoftWave treatment for just $69. You can call them on the number on your screen. Also, to learn more and take advantage of their new patient deal, just head over to TwinCiesLive.com.
Okay.